PJ Mac Gutter Cleaning and Air Duct Service is a respected HVAC contractor in Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania, committed to delivering high-quality heating, ventilation, and air conditioning services. We provide a wide choice of customized solutions to match your demands, backed by our knowledge and dedication to client satisfaction. Our team of professional contractors guarantees efficient and dependable service for installing new HVAC systems, making repairs, and performing periodic maintenance. Contact us today for dependable and effective HVAC services. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac Gutter Cleaning and Air Duct Service. What is the most efficient residential HVAC system? Geothermal heat pumps are the most efficient home HVAC systems. It uses steady subsurface temperatures to produce heating, cooling, and hot water with great energy efficiency. Which HVAC system will last the longest? A well-maintained geothermal heat pump is the most durable kind of HVAC system. Geothermal systems, with fewer moving components and protection from the environment, may run for 25 years or more, delivering dependable comfort and efficiency. What is your service area for the Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania office? Our expert contractors have helped clients in the surrounding areas of Bryn Mawr, Rosemont, Ardmore, Penn Valley, Gladwin, West Conshohocken, Narberth, Haverford, Wynwood, Roseglen, Ardmore, Villanova, King of Prussia, Lower Merion Township, and Montgomery County, Pennsylvania. Where is your Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania HVAC contractor service office located? We are located at 850 West Lancaster Avenue, Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania 19010. Our phone number is 610-424-6452. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-bryn-mawr.